Indeed, pathfinding program in the church or in school base is alive. Here in Matutong View Academy, we have witnessed how lively, how functional pathfinding is. This is all about leadership. We facilitate salvation and we introduce and train our young people for them to be ready in service in the community and in the service of the church. I'm so thankful for Matutong View Academy as well as the whole territories or academies around Southeastern Philippine Union Mission. It is our joy and it is our total commitment to engage in pathfinding program. We, with the group of the youth directors, we're here to train our young people, and we will see to it that our young people also are there responding for service. So thank you everyone. Continue to pray for our young people, the Junior Youth Department of the Youth Department as a whole, as we work together for them to be involved in the mission of the church. God bless us all.
Usa ka mabulokon nga adlaw tungod kay nagmalampuson ang tactical inspection dinhi sa Matutong View Academy sa Pathfinder Club sa pagdumala sa atong pinalangga nga principal Pastor Heavenly Peace Patricio o sa Pathfinder Club Director si Sir Don Patrick Quinto o sa tanan ng mga teachers nga ang tactical inspection ining adlaw na himo nga nagmalampuson. Banusab sa suporta sa atong mga administrators sa Southern Mindanao Mission o sa mga government officials nga nakaron nga ang performance sa atong mga kabatanunan sa mga pathfinders sa atong tulunghaan sa Matutong View Academy, it is a great performance o kining tanan alang sa paghimaya sa atong buhi nga Dios nga sila nahimong mabansay o mahimong masinangkapan alang sa usa ka dako nga buluhaton, and that is to fulfill God's mission for His church.